You worked as a drywall installer, and you've now been diagnosed with mesothelioma, and you're trying to determine all the ways you could have been exposed to asbestos. Hi, I'm Joe Williams. I'm a mesothelioma trial attorney, and I'd like to talk to you about the ways that drywall installers were exposed to asbestos on construction jobs. Now, we know that prior to 1977, joint compound contained asbestos, and it was banned by the Consumer Product Safety Commission in 1977. Drywall installers who put up those boards of sheetrock, usually 4-foot by 8-foot boards, onto studs, we know that those seams between the sheetrock had to be taped and filled with joint compound. The joint compound came in either a pre-mixed form in a bucket, it was already wet, or it came in large bags, it was dry, and had to be mixed with water. And when it was mixed, lots of dust in the air. Either way, once the joint compound was wet, it was applied to the seams, smoothed out, and allowed to dry. Once dry, sanded down, creating lots and lots of dust in the workspace. Tradesmen did this process 2 or 3 times, the sanding, 2 or 3 times, to make a smooth, finished, professional wall. Each of those sanding applications created dust that the installers, the workmen, breathed. And these exposures to this asbestos dust on a daily basis over the course of an entire career cause mesothelioma. And we see in these cases, in asbestos litigation, the exposures many years ago, decades later, resulting in a tradesman, such as a drywall installer, being diagnosed by his doctors with mesothelioma. And the doctors, when they review this, they connect the asbestos exposure to the current diagnosis of mesothelioma years later. Mesothelioma is a cancer caused by asbestos. Why am I telling you all this? Because you have questions about mesothelioma and asbestos exposure. I'm Joe Williams. At our office, we represent victims of mesothelioma and their families, and we deal with these issues every day. Give us a call at our office, and we will answer your questions. Thank you.